So how many languages can you speak in and what are they?
Oh, I can speak two languages. One is my mother tongue, second one is English language.
Hello Maliha.
Hello, much.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon too.
How is it going?
It's going marvelous. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, same here. Can I ask you some questions in English?
Sure, much. I'll give you a golden opportunity.
Okay, so how many languages can you speak in and what are they?
Oh, I can speak two languages. One is my mother tongue, second one is English language.
Oh, so which country are you belongs to?
I belongs to Bangladesh.
Which district are you from? From Bangladesh?
I'm from Dinajpur district.
Oh, so can you tell me some specialties and benefits of your country, Bangladesh, and why Bangladesh is famous in the entire world?
Oh, sure. I can say you and I'll say you in front of my viewers. So first of all, my country's official name is People's Republic of Bangladesh. It has got independence from Pakistan in 1971 and the official language is Bengali. Most of the peoples, they speak in Bengali. Otherwise they can use other language, it's okay. If we talk the cultivation, so it's so highly, or the culture, it's so amazing. If I say the natural beauty, if any foreign people will come here, they won't be able to trust it how much they're happy for coming here. So this is it.
Okay, so do you want to go abroad for higher study?
Sure, I have a strong desire to go abroad for higher education.
Yeah, so truly speaking, there are so many universities and colleges like engineering, general, and medical. So which college, which university sector do you want to study in abroad?
In abroad, I'd like to study in a medical section.
Okay, so why have you chosen this? Is there any specialty? If there are any more advantage?
Yes, in my mind, and I have thought it as I'm a human being, so it has come in my mind that doctor is a noble profession, and without doctor, any people can't treatment or any people can't live. So you must have to go doctor, and it's so attractive to me that medical. But you know that every girls they want to become a doctor and they like very medical students. That is why, if I say my mind, so it is also great to me.
Oh, that's great that you have chosen a noble profession from Bangladesh. But I think that do you want to earn money after becoming a successful doctor, or do you want to serve people?
Oh, you know very well that everybody say by their mouth, by their tongue that after their success they will treat the people, they will see the society, their country, they will do something. But in the reality, if we come, so we must have to learn it. You know very well.
Okay, all right, that's good. That's good that you want to become a successful doctor and serve the people of our country, Bangladesh. It's very good.
No. That does not matter, guys. That what I will become in the future matters. That I like very medical university, and I will stay there, and I will go there, and I will make a environment to stay there.
Do you want to learn English?
Sure, I want to learn English, but how much I will learn, that I will be able to know, and people they are also so interested to learn English.
So what's the benefit of learning this language? Why we should learn this language? Please mention your opinion.
Yes, if I say that what is the importance of learning English, so it is so highly we have to must learn it. It's a global language as well. If any people can't learn it, they won't be able to communicate with other person, because the main major reason is independent and the international language. So if we don't learn it, any people can speak, any people can communicate with the other person. We have to learn it. On the other hand, it is essential for us. We have to learn it. Which country we belong to, that does not matter, but we have to learn it.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I'm totally agree with you. So, would you like to share one secret tip that you are following to learn this language, and what is the best and easiest steps to learn this language? What is the first step?
Okay, first step is that we have to listen. Listening is the most important for learning English. First we have to listen. It is so important for the beginner, for the advanced, because listening is the most important. If we listen, we can do anything.
Yeah, exactly. That's really good. So, most of the people, and especially English learners, are facing one problem: the lack of partners, lack of friends. They can't speak, they can't make a kind of conversation with them. So, would you like to share with you that without partner, how can we practice our spoken English?
Yeah, I'm also agree with you and all of the viewers. I'd like to say those who has no any kind of partner, how they can speak. Yes, for that person, I would like to say that that person has no any partner, but they have must have to learn in this language. So last of all, I would like to say, I want to say you guys that for that person, those who has no partner, they must have to learn. By the way, the matter of sorrow that they have to learn English by themselves without any kind of partner.
Exactly. We have to learn this language by ourselves. Nobody will make us fluent. We have to become fluent by ourselves. So, without English and without your mother tongue, how many languages can you speak? Do you have any strong desire to learn other languages, something like Russian, Chinese, Spanish, and Korean? Any language?
No, I have no desire to learn that because I have think that for staying my country, I have to learn my mother tongue. And because when I brought up from that time, from my childhood, I have learned it. And from that time, I have thought that it is a essential and international language, so it's also great for us learning English. And otherwise, I don't think that to learn other language.
Exactly, it's really true. So, can you tell me that through YouTube, someone can learn English? Through YouTube, someone can lead their family. So, can you tell me that is YouTube helping us to learn this language, English?
Yes, definitely. This platform is YouTube is so assisting for our daily life, daily activity. Someone they can learn, they can earn money, they can learn for their learning, they can enrich their life. Also, they can enrich their studying life as well.
Oh, that's really great that somebody are learning, somebody are earning, and from this one platform or online. So can you tell me that because we have got this type of special advantage and technology in our modern time in 2025 as internet, so is it so helpful? I mean, what is the benefit and what is the drawbacks of mobile phone? Should we use it more or should we use it less?
Everything has two sides. That one is positive side, one is a drawbacks. So we must have to avoid from our mobile phone, but we can't say that it is not helpful. It is also so helpful. When we get anything, we can search that platform, as well as we have to think that it is so harmful for our body or any kind of organs. So we should also avoid, and we should also learn from any kind of platform like YouTube.
Exactly. So, Maliha, thank you so much for watching. Especially, thank you so much for giving your valuable time for me. So, one question for you: that do you want to make conversations every single day?
Yes, I'd like to say you Muwaj that I'm so curious to make a blog video every single day.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video until the end. If you get any kind of information and any kind of things from this video, please like, comment, and share. And for getting this type of and for learning English especially, please subscribe and follow Muwaj and Maliha
English tour.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.